We'll see if that changes by Christmas. I love your face. What's Mabel's address? She's a pretty good girl. Smalls, the heavier rumble in the background is a featherweight that Kayla's using to sew at the moment. That one of her coworkers so wonderfully offered to let us borrow. You get the bowl lift one? No, nice. You have Mabel's address. Frog, what do you want for Frog Day? Yeah, it's incredibly sweet. That's kind of like her in a nutshell, though, to be honest. Just incredibly sweet.
Oh, we missed Frog Day. National
actual Frog Day
is May 13th.
Oh, that's weird. That's my mom's birthday. You have a date, you sure do. You need a shirt that says, what's the address? Yes, you do. Oh, I don't know if Rain told Tubin, but I offered to do like a t-shirt. Obviously, I'll have to make it not this week, or at least not until the order's finished. But I offered to make like a little package of like a t-shirt and some buttons and other maybe a tote bag, I don't know, for a Tubi giveaway.
Today is National Chocolate Chip Cookie Day.
Time to go get cookies.
Tomorrow's National Underwear Day.
I was gonna say time to wear underwear, but I always do.
National Root Beer Float Day. International Beer Day is Friday.
Fun. Oh, well, I was gonna say that's what we should do tonight is sit back and have a couple margaritas, but then we'll go to sleep.
Saturday's National Sneak Some Zucchini Onto Your Neighbor's Porch Day. And National Garage Sale Day.
Okay, I'd like to participate in both those things, but the zucchini has to go to Phil.
The 10th is the National Lazy Day. I can get behind that. Weekend after next. My anniversary at work is National Thrift Store Day.
That's hilarious. That's perfect.
Well, I'm sorry,
and yes, we have a heat press.
The day before, but we're celebrating the whole weekend.
Oh, the thrift store part? Or your
I
anniversary?
love my feet day.
That's weird. Lazy day is your favorite day? I need it. Yeah, I do need a me day, and it's gonna be as soon as this order starts. I'm gonna nap and crochet and eat my weight in drumsticks, the ice cream variety.
Frog got a PGC shirt.
You ordered a PGC shirt?
Like from one of their
But the zucchini wear on the porch. First, sneak it. You have to sneak it onto their porch. I feel like what will mostly happen is Iggy and Vinny will be excited for snacks.
Can I sneak some dog poop onto somebody's porch?
We already did that. The Blue Bunny brownie cones, yes. I love the Blue Bunny, like anything that has their little like bunnies on them. Need to make an order caught up. You hope, oh lord, okay. So I'm wearing my, oh I could put him on a hoodie. No, I'm not gonna put him on the hoodie. I'm wearing my Play for More Than Bragging Rights, my new St. Jude shirt. And I am excited to, sometime next week I'm gonna put all y'all's names on it for like the thing, like in a concert style. And then weed it like I hate myself.
He got the John Pretty
You
Fine
got
Amount
the
one.
yeah, John one. I have to break that habit. I love that shirt.
I made one of those.
Yeah, that's the only one I've seen, I think.
Mm-hmm. Before they decided, well, before I told them they should print them instead.
Yeah. Flashing the camera. I love this hoodie though. You guys have no idea how much I've coveted this thing.
The what?
The hoodie. You want to make a banner for your wall with a small one, extra logo. Make it extra. Oh, like a triangle banner? Those would be cute. We could sell pennants. I'll also be taking custom button orders starting next week, probably. Alice and I are just gonna sit here during stream. You hear a coffee queso. I only know how to sew masks. I say conveniently as I'm blocking out the dress we're making in the background that we've put on hold for this order. That's what we'll do. We'll switch from masks to all Merida next week.
Okay, I believe you.
Yeah. No, we have a lot of crochet to finish.
Are all your crochet orders done?
No. I have one that I don't need to start until September. I have Cypher's Christmas or birthday present, which is due at the end of August. I have your birthday present, and then I have a commission for the BB-8 for plush size. The Extra Life BB-8, which I'm actually really excited about. Speaking of Extra Life, did you guys see you can get a D&D die for raising $75 for Extra Life in August? I want it. I don't play D&D, but I want it. Your window crashed after you asked, so I don't know.